Okay, 2021 Palomino Puma. This is a rear kitchen model. Really good shape. There is a little bit of customization, so I'm going to show you everything about it. So up front, you do have a power tongue jack. Looks like this has bigger propane tanks, 30 pound. Looks like this was built as more of a robust, I would say, travel trailer that you could use in a little bit stronger into the third season. It does have a winter pack on it. I really like this front pass-through where they radius it to get the extra square footage. There is a 50 amp power cord, so this trailer has 2 air conditioners, so really cool for this size. So again, kind of upgraded cold weather capabilities and upgraded against the heat. So you have electric stabilizer jacks, so 4 of those. You have a spot to put a TV outside. You do have electrical outlets as well. Outside shower on this side. Now this is on the outside. The really only damage is this fender and then this fender skirt. So it looks like there's a crack on that fender, which we could probably get a replacement. But then this fender skirt got a little damaged. All right, you do have the upgraded flip-up step. There's your water heater. Okay, and then a little bit of an outside kitchen. There's a fridge out here. The previous owner did remove this drawer, so that's kind of just free space, or I suppose you could get another one, but always good to have a little open space on a trailer. All right, spare tires on here, and then you have a roof ladder, which is great to have. So many brands are going away from that now. Big rack and pinion slide out. They tuck in a little storage compartment back here. All right, and then here's your storage access. Other side. Okay, so let's check out the inside of this Puma. All right, so let's start in this back corner to the left of the entry door. So here's your rear kitchen. So rear kitchens tend to have the most storage and the most counter space. Okay, so the furniture was customized. That's always, you know, is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? Depends how well they do it, right? So you actually get really nice recliners. So I would deem that an upgrade. And then this big table, you'd have a larger table than you ordinarily would. And it looks like the bench here does have storage underneath, and you have a little storage underneath the table and 2 freestanding chairs. So I like it. Looks like you have, I've been talking too much on these videos. You have MCD, these nice roller shades, which is definitely an upgrade. Big TV. I do not believe that came from the factory. It looks like the previous owner installed that. You have a sound bar and a fireplace. And then to the right of the entry door, you have this big storage closet. So again, this is with the, you know, the upgraded capabilities for weather. This would be a good, you know, seasonal site trailer, something you use frequently. I always like Puma. They do finish off the doors. You don't have those big gaps like you see on a lot of trailers. All right, here's your bathroom. Nice big radius shower. Room around the toilet. A little added storage. All right. All right, and then in your bedroom, you have a queen bed. Looks like it's a Denver mattress, so definitely better than the standard RV mattress. So there's the second air conditioner right in the bedroom. So the one in the main living area is ducted in on a thermostat. This one would have a direct dump from here to help keep the bedroom cool. Looks like there's nice storage in this bedroom. And then again, another TV was added. So, all right, again, 2021 Palomino Puma for sale at Collier RV. Give us a call with any questions. Thank you so much.